Hey guys, Daniel Mar Reviews here. Today is January 21st, 2020 at 10:43 p.m. and tomorrow on January 22nd, 2020, I'm going to be heading to Thyssenkrupp, Canada's headquarters tomorrow for a little tour of their Canadian headquarters facility, so I'm really looking forward to that. So this is going to be my first elevator video, or elevator related video on my Handycam. So anyway guys, hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Alright, it's now January 22nd and today's the day we're going to Thyssenkrupp. If you look over there, you can see we're now at Thyssenkrupp.
Yeah. So this is what you'd find in
an actual. I think this is what goes on top, right? Like that's like the
machine,
yeah.
This is one of the our controller that is made in Memphis.
Yeah, this is the standard platform. Let's say little bit like when I say dumbed down, like reduced to just basically be able to get power here.
Oh, okay, just to this, yeah.
Okay. Right.
So the way I explain to myself, this is the brain and this is the heart.
Yeah.
So this is one of our bigger machines. So it's a SC400, right? Can go up to. Normally we use this for like 700.
Wow.
So this is what they look like. These are different sizes of cables, right? Okay.
Oh wow.
God. Look at that.
Look at that. Yeah.
Alright. So this would be like
That would be thick. I think the size is here. What is? Do we have a size on these?
Well, not so much the thing, but that's going to be for a small elevator, or
This one would be for. This is probably a real engineer.
Look at that.
There you go.
Look at those. Yeah.
What kind of door operator is that, David?
That's
That's a new one. That's a winter.
Yeah.
So it's made in Switzerland or Austria.
You can see that.
What it is it's pretty compact compared to the historical ones. The historical
Look
ones
at
have
that.
big brakes with big pulleys and
okay. So
that's how it created the torque. This is got probably a more efficient motor. The clutch is up. See that thing? We don't have it on one of these, but so there'd be within the hull station at the main floor, there would be like a key switch to select which elevator you want to run in the event the power fails. So you can kind of set a priority, right? It will still, like, let's say you had it set for car number 1, and car number 1 can't function, it will cycle through to like car number 2 automatically type thing.
Oh, okay, that's a great.
It's not like it's going to say, okay, I gotta drive one is broke down because they're doing something. Or, right?
Okay.
It will then cycle through.
Okay, and this cable over here is
This is how you shackle them. So that's how you kind of connect the towers, right?
Yeah.
The first 20 people get in, right? So there's 60 people.
They'll just have buttons, and you won't press 4. You'll just put in. Well,
Yeah, we've just got this wire to activate.
Press it again.
Yeah.
Press it.
Oh yeah, let them.
Yeah.
You can see the workings of the escalator. This is the machine at the top of the escalator.
Oh, okay.
It drives a big chain that drives the whole mechanism to operate all the steps and everything. Right? And if you can see the lever come here.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that.
You can see the steps returning up the bottom end.
Yeah.
This is the steps going down the top and coming up the bottom.
It's like a conveyor belt.
Yeah, it's like a continuous conveyor belt. That's what it is.
All right.
So and the steps are upside down when they're coming up the bottom.
Yeah.
And then they flip around.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the top.
Isn't that neat?
Yes. You have a lot of switches, like this thing here monitors the handrail speed, the speed of the floor right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but if you can stand back there, you can actually see the steps operating.
Yep.
Right.
Wow.
So normally there's a shield, there's a guard here. We took the guard off so you can see what's going on.
Yeah.
Right. So
Wow. And is that like the controller right there?
no, this is just the bottom end junction box connection.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
The top end, the controller is. I'll show you from on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Right.
So there's, if one of these steps fails, it'll just automatically stop?
It'll stop the escalator, yes.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Right? There are switches mounted below the steps. If the step drops for any reason, it'll shut it off. If the step is missing, there are sensors checking to see if they're missing. So it's multiple safety devices checking for the steps.
Okay.
Right? And we're monitoring the speed of the step, speed of the handrail, and the speed of the machine. Right?
Just a second. I just want to get over the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll run it in the opposite direction.
Some type of lubricator. Oh, what's the lubrication for again?
That is to automatically lubricate the escalator. We just brought it out here for demonstration. We actually manually lubricate this escalator, but we brought this thing out so we can demonstrate how it functions. Yeah, the line is going back into the bucket. Right, it's kind of looping back onto itself. And the reason we did that was so that we can explain to the guys what it has auto lubricating.
Top, and you'll see the overhead.
Wow. Look at that. Okay, is this door new or is this?
This is like an historical door. All right,
Oh, okay.
like doors haven't changed.
Yeah.
What has changed though is that this is the controller.
Oh, okay, right here.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So check the lunar.
So would this be behind like the buttons that you push?
The buttons are here, right?
Right.
Okay, and we would normally put the button on the other side of the controller.
Oh, okay. all
So
right.
what would be in a finished building is normally there's a fire blanket here. We just don't put it in because it's training purposes.
Yeah.
But in a finished building, you put a fire blanket here
Okay.
and a wall in front of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you wouldn't see.
So if there was 3 elevators, say we have 3 elevators, where would this be?
Each one would have one of those. So remember the box we saw next to the machine?
Yes.
It's elevator.
Okay.
Yeah, but those symbols that, remember, Daniel, I think that's what we're using the symbols for, like on the left in the corner.
Yeah. I see. Yeah, I see
Yeah.
that.
What is
That's
that?
that's the governor. So you,
Oh,
you remember
okay,
that
yeah.
old, like that thing I said that when it spins faster, the things,
Yeah,
the teeth jaws move out
Yeah.
to the point. That's up in that box.
Oh, okay.
Gear, motor through gear to shaft, right?
Wow.
Okay, that's the
Yeah.
difference. See, so you got this big long shaft through gear, right? And shiv will rotate, so your gear will get a lot of minimal power, and
Yeah.
put it to output more to drive this shift.
So how old is this?
These, so this is hydraulic, right?
Yeah.
So.
Okay, this is.
So, and this is our hydraulic
Oh,
NRL.
yeah.
So up top there is a controller in the jam.
Yeah.
And the tank unit and controller historically had a room that used to be like kind of adjacent to the elevator shaft.
Okay.
But now you'll notice that the pump unit is that box, like that gray box with
This
the
one?
tape on it.
Oh.
This gray box with the
with the
stripe
Oh, okay.
tape on it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
the pump unit. And as you can see, like see the valve there and the pipes
Yeah.
going to the jacks. Like this thing here and that thing on the other side comparable are the jacks.
Yeah.
So that's what the oil is flowing through and lifting the. So it goes out of the tank and through the jacks and lifts the elevator.
I
Right?
always thought that it would be in the middle. For some
The
reason.
tank or the
Oh,
jacks?
it's coming
it
down.
was, but so you'll notice these guys you don't need to drill. So these guys are telescopic jacks,
Oh, okay.
right?
Yeah.
Whereas yes, conventionally. They would drill a hole in the center of the pit, and
yeah.
it would the jack would just go into the ground
Yeah.
and up and down, right?
Up and down, yeah.
But again, now we're in environmental concerns.
Oh.
They're drilling. Yeah, we can go back to the showroom then. And
Sure.
look at the pictures.
Yeah. Oh, it talks too.
Yeah.
This is safe.
Live roll. This one's safe. Yeah.
Right? I like the new design. All the old ones have mirrors in them. I said, my goodness, you scare yourself every time you get in.
But like mirrors, there is a cost, and they do get damaged. The problem, right? But
Yeah.
like certain places need them for safety.
Second floor.
So that a guy can't hide in the elevator. Let's say, right?
Oh, true.
So like, let's say if you're getting on, right, and
Yeah.
there's a mirror here, you can see.
Ride the elevator, right?
I'll hold the door.
Hold the door.
Mhm.
Hold the door.
Press the button.
Yep.
Who did this to the floor? Jeez. It's probably vinyl now. Cat 5 tab?
Weight cards.
First floor.
Alright. We can get back.
Look at this. Alright, there it goes. Huge thank you to Thyssenkrupp Canada for giving me this amazing tour, and if you look in the back of the car, yep, there's going to be awesome surprises later in this video. But there's Thyssenkrupp Canada's headquarters here in Scarborough. There it is. And now we're driving on, I forgot the name of the street. I think it's Finchendale, something like that, but yeah. So there's more surprises to come to this video a little later, because there's going to be a little bit of sort of an unboxing. So alright, there's the Thyssenkrupp bag, but this is one of the first elevator parts I got from Thyssenkrupp. This is a Northern floor lantern. Thyssenkrupp owns Northern, so that's probably why they gave that to me. And this is from Texas Elevators right here. As you can see, this is the Thyssenkrupp Elevator Americas, but Texas Elevators gave this to me in 2015. So I'll put a link in the description of this video, or of that video, of me unboxing this all the way back in November 2015. So now it's time to look in here. So this is of course a frisbee with Thyssenkrupp on it. Thyssenkrupp hat, which I'm really looking forward to wearing. This is a Thyssenkrupp cup, as you can see. $15 iTunes card, so that's pretty awesome. Thyssenkrupp winter hat, and this is a Nike shirt. So of course we got pens and stuff, and I think these are some, these are some sort of headphones, but the real treats in here are the actual elevator parts. Oh, and of course a straw. I believe this is a hard straw, which is good, better for the environment. But if we look in here, as you can see, P5, they gave me these fixtures, or some of these parts. But as you can see, this I believe is a traditional Thyssenkrupp lantern, but look at this. It's a Dover elevator lantern. Look at that. It's a Dover elevator lantern, so that's pretty awesome. And then of course this Thyssenkrupp button, which, put this back there. This button they don't make anymore, but they use it as replacement fixture. So let's see, I think, yep, the camera's showing this. Let's see if we can unbox or unwrap this or take it out without having to use scissors or anything. Yep. Look at that. There's the button right there, and then, okay, I think this probably goes behind it. Anyway, that is cool. So this is an older Thyssenkrupp button. Don't know the exact name for it. And then this is a braille plate right here. They both have P5 on them. So there we go. Unwrapping them. Yep. That's what they look like at the back. And then as you can see, the braille right there. So that's what P5 is like. But yeah, very excited about this because this is Dover, and Thyssenkrupp has used this a little bit in the 2000s, I think, after they bought Dover. But this is the Dover floor direction lantern. That's pretty awesome. This is a pretty cool lantern too. Look at that. So yeah, this is what they these are what the parts look like. So a huge thank you at the people of Thyssenkrupp, Canada, for giving me a tour, allowing me to have merchandise, Thyssenkrupp merchandise, and a couple of elevator parts. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and again, a huge thank you to the awesome people at Thyssenkrupp Elevator Canada. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. See you guys.